See what we got going on. No more TA build, working on the short bed now. I got an 06 cat eye. Got some long tube headers about to go on this baby. I got my guy Cordell with me. I already got the cats cut off, so getting ready to take the headers off. We got a cam going in it. Valve springs, the whole 9 yards. Little shop work truck, nothing much. I got some DS18 speakers going all the way around. Got a radio coming, DS18 tweeters, DS18 subs. Think I'm gonna do a 2-4 drop. Not gonna do nothing too major because I might still be touring with this truck. Not using this Y pipe. I got a Speed Engineering X pipe setup right now.
Get these old manifolds up.
I'll get these old manifolds off. Once we get these off, we'll get right back to Yep. I just had 15 in my hand. Good. Red RTV. Then get the cheap gasket. Got the good ones, so ain't got too much worry about. Putting the headers on, we got that done. We got the X pipe on as well. Can't really see it, but I got it on. See if I can get a little light for y'all. Speed Engineering X pipe to the long tube headers. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start of the truck with the long tube headers and the X pipe. So if anybody wondering what speed engineering, long tube headers, and X pipe sound like. And that's what it sound like. So shout out my guy Cordell for coming helping me put those headers on. We also did the same thing to Money truck. Money got an 03 step side cat eye, white just like mine. Long tube headers, X pipe as well. So next, coming up, we're gonna be doing a cam, a drop, of course getting the windows tinted, doing a DS18 door speakers. Probably gonna do a DS18 sub. My boy HID Chris, he doing me some custom headlights, so I gotta get ready and pick those up to do the color match on the inside. We doing something different. But yeah, get ready for the budget bill. So click, like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that.
Yeah, we drive them bags up the interstate. Work out down there every day, we got plenty way. When it about business, they finna play. Hit the page just to make sure that the business straight. How to get paid, let me demonstrate. Nothing but bread on my dinner plate.